Good afternoon, everybody. So, can I say, as part of our previous discussions, we started basic understanding about Java. And in Java, we understood first thing is Java is a platform independent programming language. Perfect. And we have also understood earlier programming languages were not platform independent because they were not using the JVM, where their compiler, previous languages compiler, used to directly generate the executable code as per the underlying platform. Platform is nothing but a operating system and processor combination. Am I clear? This is what we have discussed. Then problem was, whatever programs were built, they were working specific to one combination of OS and processor. What is this OS and processor combination called? Platform. So earlier languages, if you write one code, that works only on that OS and processor. Other, it was not working. So Java came up with a concept called platform independency, where you just need to write once and you can run anywhere. That is what is called VORA. VORA stands for write once, run anywhere. That is what we have understood. Okay, sir. In this process, there are two phases we have understood. Compilation phase, execution phase. Compilation phase is the phase where a file which is having extension .java is called source code written in high level language. This will be compiled if compilation is not successful. That means some errors are there. Errors are coming because you are not following rules given by the language. You means Java developers are not following rules given by the Java language. Rules given by the Java language. Who is not following? Java developer, those who are writing the code. Are you getting my point? If you are a Java developer, you must follow rules and guidelines given by the Java language. Then only your code will be successfully compiled. Am I clear? Sir, if compilation fails, still one file will be generated. Do you agree? Pay attention. Says compilation is successful. Post successful compilation, what happens? A bytecode gets generated. Beautiful. A bytecode gets generated. That is written in which language? Intermediate level language code. Agree? File extension dot class file. So a generated dot class file, I repeat, a generated dot class file called bytecode written in intermediate level language code. This will be generated only if compilation is successful. Do you agree? Yes, sir. Sir, what if compilation has failed? Will there be any file generated? No, there is no file will be generated if compilation has failed. Compilation failed because Java developer is not following the rules given by the Java language. Agree? And before we continue, let me tell you from past couple of days is there. So little khich is there. With that khich, voice became khar. So please bear with me. By the way, am I understandable, my voice? I do agree, my voice is already not so good. And on top of that, there is an infection. So, by the way, online folks, can you hear me? Can you understand me? Or there is a great problem with my voice? You can understand? Can I say understand? Type you in chat if you can understand. Type you in chat. Thank God. I'm really sorry, bhaiya, but what to do? Welcome to modern city where full of pollution is there. And sorry, weather is keep fluctuating. That's why it is happening. But can we say we understood very well what is compilation? If compilation is successful, bytecode will be generated. If bytecode is generated, then next phase is what? Next phase. First phase, we have completed compilation. Bytecode generated means what? Compilation is done successfully. Next phase, execution phase. During execution phase, what is this going to happen? There is a component called JVM. In the entire execution is happening because of JVM. Am I clear? JVM reads what? Bytecode. Agree? JVM reads the bytecode. And after processing, after execution, after the running, what will be generated? What will be generated? executable file. JVM will read the bytecode, process it, and generates an executable file that is internal to JVM. That executable file will be executed by again operating system. Agree? Here also, but this executable file is specific to the underlying platform. Yes, but as many platforms are there, those many version of JVM also there. You remember, Windows platform is different, Linux platform is different. Yesterday I showed you on the Oracle website. Hope you remember. Am I clear, everybody? So basically, multiple JVM versions are there, one per platform. Are you with me? Everybody able to understand? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Done. Moving forward. Pay attention. Sir, if JVM is executing, if JVM successfully executed the entire program, execution will start, .exe file has been generated, operating system will start executing it. If everything is fine, then output will be coming. Then what will happen? Output will be coming. Am I clear? Yesterday we have started with one program. Anybody remember? I mean, remember in such a way, we have done that, you don't remember. Can you please help me also what to write? Because I don't remember. You remember? Pakka. Oh, you're that level intelligent. Huh? One day I wrote a program, you understood everything. No, I didn't understand, but I remember what you wrote. Can you please help me with that? Shall I start the today's session? Finally, online folks, are you ready? Quick response, please. Chaliye then. If everybody is ready, let's jump into the discussion. Okay, sir. What is the name of the program we wrote, sir? Class my first program. Am I right? In my first program, first we opened the curly braces. That is how the rule it is. We are writing, following the rules. Why these rules are there? We will understand why one after another. As of now, what we are seeing? Every single dot reason also I'll give you. Sure, no need to worry at all. Then comes public static void string array of arguments. Am I right? Over here, within this, we wrote system dot out dot print. Few people were telling print, sir. We are writing print right now. We'll see the difference in few minutes. What is the difference between print and print? Perfect. Within the print, we are printing what? Then let's close the curly braces. Okay, sir. Suppose this is the file, I have written it. And consider for this file, I am giving a name as, what name is recommended to give? After writing the program, with what name should I save this? What? So every time whenever we save, it must be my first program. Now, as per the name of the class, whatever is your name of the class, that name you should use exactly same. Yes, sir, exactly same. What do you mean by exactly same? Dot. Am I right? My first program dot Java is the name of the file. Done, sir. Agree? Next step. I wrote the program. What is the next step? Compilation. Where to compile? So can I say we will be starting another screen? Am I right? In this, say console screen is there. What is this? Our console screen is black color window command prompt. Okay. In this first command, I am writing what? Java C. What is the command name? I mean, next, my first program dot Java. Okay, sir. Then what is that? Press enter. If compilation is successful, then next is Java my first program. Done? Am I clear? Then what will happen? Output will come. What is the output, sir? This is what happened yesterday. Am I right? How? We have no idea at all. We didn't discuss anything at all. Agree? Can I explain you one by one what is what? How to write the program? That I'm going to explain you. What to write, I showed you. How to write, I'll tell you. Why are we writing it like this? Also will be guaranteed. No doubt about it. Yesterday I told what? Today I'm telling how you should write so that error will not come. Everything works fine. Minute mistakes every beginner does. Not just you. When we started that time, we are also breaking our head with Java. Slowly, gradually moving forward, when you proceed with the course content, you will start loving Java, that I guarantee. Initially, if, by the way, is there anybody who hate programming? Is there anybody who hate programming? I used to hate programming. When I started my career, I used to hate programming like anything. But then I started understanding it. Then I started loving it. I mean, when you meet somebody, you don't immediately start loving anybody, nah? You understand the person, then you fall in love with that person. Is this happens? I mean, I guess this happens with girls. For us, if you say yes, that's enough. For guys, chalo, anyways, come back to the point. Now, shall I give you a few more details about the program? How to write and what not to write, what to write, everything. Pay attention. This entire class, whatever you wrote, agree? This is a keyword. This entire keyword, class, should be written in a lowercase. We'll say lowercase, uppercase. Agree? So lowercase it should be written. It should never start with capital C or any letter capital. You cannot write class 1, class underscore nothing. Only class. After that, one space must be there. After that, whatever you write, you should mandatory write only in camel case. Whatever class name is there, that must be in camel case. What is camel case? We know uppercase. Camel case ante, if say I am writing my name. Usually I write my name is say Arun. This is one sentence is there. Agree? If I need to join all of them and make one word, then what we do? Then what do we do? I will write my name is Arun. But if you read it is one word, can you spell it? What is written? That word difference is not the reason. Try to understand. Because this entire word has multiple parts. This part is different. This part is different. This is different. Are you getting my point? I need to create the difference between, okay, this particular word starts here, ends with here. Then to distinguish, one option I'll give you. Can I write it like this? Same thing. Can I write it like this? Pay attention. My underscore name underscore is underscore Arun. Make sense? Easy. Now you can understand where is it. This word starts with N, ends with E. Can you understand? Yes or no? Pakka? Or shall I take a different thing? Pakka? No, I can give you a different example also. Chalo, then I'll ask you different example later. As of now, my name is Arun with underscore is there. Java does not follow this approach. Java says, no, we will not follow this approach. Java says we will follow a different approach where first word, second word, starting with uppercase, then uppercase, then already uppercase. But wait, why this A is already in uppercase? I wrote my name starting with uppercase. Why? Perfect. It's a noun. What is noun? Person, place, anything, name. Are you getting my point? Person or place name starting with uppercase. Agree? Similarly, if it is a class, its name is this. Its name also must start with, come on, uppercase. Are you with me? If it has multiple words, let's not give underscore like this. Rather, every word, first letter, uppercase. Is that clear to everybody, online folks? This is what nothing but called camel case. Camel, you have seen camel structure. This is, say, for example, this is the head of the camel. Then little tummy. Then tail, like this. Nothing but a camel case. I mean, seriously, I'll tell you. I mean, honestly speaking, I'm telling you, many batches back, once I tried to draw a camel after this structure and all. I don't want to attempt it because nobody agreed, sir, this looks like a camel. My drawing level is next level. Do you want me to try? See, if you get confused, why to get into here? Consider this is the upper body of the camel, rest you imagine. Okay, na? Chale. My drawing is next level, bro. Hope you understand. Okay, chalo. So this is a camel case, is what simple. If multiple words are there in a name, club them all together as one word, but ensuring word first name should be, first letter should be in uppercase. That's all. Simple. Agree? In Java, if you are writing any names, everything must be following camel case convention. Am I clear? Everything, whichever things you want to write, they all must follow camel case except one place. What? We will discuss. That is something called constants. In constant, different things are there. Probably in 1 or 2 days only, I'll tell you. Okay, na? I'll give you example. What exactly constant mean? I'll explain you. When you understand static final together, then we'll be able to talk about it. As of now, we know one thing, something called camel case. Well, what does it mean? Multiple words are there. Join them together. First letter must be in uppercase. Every words. Agree? But there is a small, what do you call, terms and condition applied. Camel case, everybody understood. Online folks, everybody understood what is camel case. Camel case is multiple words are there. Join them together. Start with uppercase. Am I clear, everybody? Faster, guys. Super. Now the fun dies. Sir, if you are writing class name, after the class, whatever comes. If you're writing class name, start with uppercase. But if you're starting with lowercase, because see, if you're writing class name, then uppercase. If you're writing any variable name, method name, then lowercase. Sir, what is variable means? I don't know. Everything we'll discuss. If you have no idea what is variable, let's not talk it. Something called class is there. Its name should be camel case, of course, but start with uppercase. If you're writing variable, method, then lowercase. Am I clear? Only class name start with uppercase followed by camel case convention. Agree? If I write a variable or a method, then start with lowercase following camel case convention. Camel case convention is there everywhere. First letter, if class name, uppercase. If variable name, method name, Arey yaar, super complicated thing am I telling you? Can't you remember? Simple funda. Any name in Java follows. Any name in Java follows camel case convention. If it is a class name, start with. If it is variable name, method name, start with. Still follow camel case. Agree? Simple logic. Agree, na? Shall I wipe it? Okay, in that case, let me write two words. You tell me, I'll write a one case. You tell me, is it, abbreviated form. I'll write in camel case, you tell in different. Say, for example, this is the two different word are there. Can I simply write this way? Is it a right way to write? Then, okay. How about this one? Hold on. You need to answer, choose one of the option between. By the way, A for? What are you laughing? Let me see whether you give the right answer or not. So easy, na? Tell me, Ra, what is A? A for? A for? A for, my daughter can tell this here. A for? B for? C for? No, I'm not teaching that to you. By the way, all of your terminologies are wrong. This is outside my class. In my class, A for Ammu, B for Bangara, C for Chinna. Aish, arey yaar, what a smart people are there. Before I tell you told Chinnu, perfect. Answer, louder, Ray. Ammu, Bangara, your answer. Which one? Bangara is the right one. This one, sir, right? Let me write one more thing. Now I'll ask you something. Pay attention now. What? Listen very carefully. Sir, I'm writing one word. You tell me the full form of it. I'm writing in camel case. You tell the entire sentence. Agree? How many words are there? 3. First word. 3. Second word. Oh, actually, I should not be writing it this way. Wait a minute. It is actually pre. Am I right? Second word, Raju. Next. Next is lization. Have you heard this word somewhere? Come on. Open challenge. All of you heard this. If you haven't heard this word, then there is a big reason to worry for me. Being Indian engineering students. Come on, yaar. By the way, online folks, anybody heard? Pre-Rajulization. You didn't heard, huh? छोड़ो, कुछ और पढ़ते हैं पहले. Leave Java. How about this word also you didn't heard? Pre-Rajulization, Faranitrate. Or Farhan and Raju, you don't know? Don't tell me you didn't watch this movie. Watched it, na? In Telugu is also there. Tamil is also there. I guess in Kannada also there. Kannada is not there. But very popular movie. Ranchod Das writes when he goes to the board and like what? अबे तुम लोग मूवी भी ढंग से नहीं देख रहे हो क्या? Are you people that busy? What have you guys done in graduation, yaar? All 4 years you have been day and night studying only, ra. Nah, I'll tell you fact. I have also done engineering, na. But in our generation, we didn't study this much. 4 years went in study only. We don't know what happened. Are you guys studying that level? Nahi na? And don't tell me you didn't even watch it. Watch it na? The only thing is we didn't remember it. Pre-fragilization for nitrate. We know very well. Do we know how to write them in camel case? I am teaching camel case, not that. Camel case clear? Pakka? Okay. First line is clear. Spending so much of time on every line. Pay attention. Class name, starting the class. Why are we writing class? Everything will come. Class name, opening curly brace, open the class. Closing curly braces, close the class. Am I clear? Everybody, 100% second line. Sir, you need to remember this line for time being. Everything will be discussed, but right now, public, static, void, main, string. If you know something, great. If you don't know, this is called array symbol. Array, RGS. Closing. These are called parentheses. Which one? These are called parentheses. These are called square bracket. These are called curly braces. Some people call it flower braces. Flower braces, fool braces, pappu braces, whatever you like it. This meant for methods in Java. This meant for arrays in Java. This meant for class, or I would say actually this is actually the body of, actually in our case, body of class. Am I clear? Agree? Or any method body, class body, whatever we will discuss. We will discuss this. Actually, technically term, it is called scope, which I don't want to discuss now. In OOPS, we will discuss. As of now, better call it body only. Agree? We know parenthesis means, square bracket means, curly braces means body. Agree na? You tell me how many methods are there in this program. Think and answer. How will you identify methods are there or not? You will simply look for opening, closing, one pair, one method, counted. Opening, closing, another pair, counted. Agree? Everybody clear? Total how many methods are there? In that, how many arrays are there? Only one, sir. This is that, sir. Story. Done. How many bodies are there? Two, sir. Take this body and take this body. Done. Am I clear? No confusion. As of now, you have to remember this line: public, static, void, main, string, array of args. What is written? Forget about this. What all you can write? Forget about that. Why it is written, we will discuss that also. Every single doubt we will cover. If I start answering this entire program, I need minimum at least 1 hour to just tell what is written in the program. There is no point. You will understand everything in one day. Even if I tell, I know that. My youngsters are how much they have studied and how much they can handle in one shot. That I know. I am not bombarding everything one day. Let's go slowly. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? If 2 kg sweets is kept next to you, don't eat all 2 kg one day. You will die because of sugar. One sweet, one day. Chalega na? One concept we will start learning. Agree? Now we have understood this much, sir. Agree? Shall I wipe it? Okay, sir. And pay attention now. This line as it is, you will write it. This is the main body of the main. Body of the class, body of the main. Am I clear? Within this, in order to write on notebook, you need a pen. Are yes or no? Come on. Are Baba, in order to write something in notebook, what do you need? Pen. In Java, you consider this is our Java's pen. This entire line. What? System.out.print. Yes, this is the way to print. Sir, we studied println. Wait, I'll explain that also. Shall I proceed now? System.out.print. Am I clear? Opening and closing parenthesis, semicolon, mandatory. In this line only semicolon is there. In this line only it should be there. In this line it must be there. Mandatory. If you are not writing, error will come. Semicolon is mandatory only while printing. Am I clear? Within main method, whatever you are writing, everything will have a semicolon. Simple. Agree? Am I clear? Everybody clear? Main is a method. What does method do? We will discuss. Not now. Hold on. Am I clear? Main is a method. My first program is a class. Done. How can I know this is a method? Sir, parentheses are there. Am I clear? Body of the class, start here, end here. Body of the main, start here, end here. Am I clear to everybody? No confusion? Okay, sir. Then there is a pen on Java. Within Java, there is a pen called system.out.print. What are these dot? I don't know. We'll discuss. Hold on. Am I clear? By the way, if you have any doubts, you can ask right now. Any doubts? Because I have few doubts. As a beginner, I have few doubts. Can I ask? Let's see whether your doubts are more or my doubts are more. Shall we check? First thing. This is starting with lowercase. Why is it starting with uppercase? Am I clear? Second thing. Public static void main. These all are in lowercase. This is in uppercase. Here, this is also seems to be in uppercase. So every S starts with uppercase in Java. We'll see that. Then, why dot is there? Two are there. Why? If they are multiple words, if you club them together, then this is the kind of name should come. Why it is coming like dot, 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 dot? Agree? Okay, sir. Whatever you wrote, you are telling whatever you wrote in between this, that is the outcome is coming. Agree, na? Whatever you wrote, print. Within the print, whatever you wrote, everything is coming as an output. Agree? Am I clear? Out of these things, there are so many things which we don't know. Wait for a few days, you will understand every single thing. Shall I proceed now? Okay, sir. Pay attention now. If anybody who has ever done any programming in Java, is everything clear? Will this compile successfully? Will this compile successfully? All of you? Perfect. Funda is simple, sir. If you want to print something, ensure that must be within the pair of double quotes. Within the pair of double quotes. You have found it already. Funda is simple, sir. If you are writing system.out.print, that is to print what? What you want to print, that you ensure to write within the pair of double quotes, within the pair of double quotes. Am I clear? Within the pair of parentheses, within that, within the pair of double quotes. Am I clear to everybody? Pakka? That is how you should write. After writing, you will, first thing is what? What is the first thing you are doing? We are compiling. Second thing is to execute. Agree? Am I clear? These are the fixed command where these are the name of the files. Agree? Am I clear? Sure? Now shall I move to front ahead? In the same program, shall I make some little changes? Agree? Here it is world. We will say write our whatever is your name. Abadaba Jabba. Write your name. Okay? Whatever is your name. If I write this, in this case, if I go and compile, what will come? Output will be coming as, am I right? This should be coming as, am I right? Everybody, shall I practically implement? Shall I start writing code with hello name, whatever is the name you recommend? Okay, now, shall I wipe the board now? This program, you have already done it yesterday. Online folks, are you all comfortable? Till now, everything is clear? Quickly respond in chat, guys. Okay, let me start typing the code. What is the code we are typing? Class my first program, then open the class, public static void main string array of args, then system.out.print of hello, some name, any nice name, Sujay, and semicolon. Done. Let me save the program by taking the name .java. Done. Now, okay. How do I start the command prompt? Open into, and you are not even telling me. You are looking into my system. Wow, wow. Gajab. Wow. Such a talented people you are. Huh? Hold on, online folks. Projector is starting in a moment. Binoculars. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Thank you. Now you can hear me, everybody? Could you respond in chat? Everybody can hear me? Okay, let's move forward. Shall I? I have to say it. Finally, I think. Okay, done. If you have saved it, then do I have to once again compile, right? But I will clear the screen. Here, then Java C, my Java, and Java, my Java, I wrote things in two different lines. Why are they not coming in two different lines? Reason. Listen here. Now, very important thing is that what is happening is super important. Please pay attention. In high level mode, guys. Are we ready? Hey, seriously, look at my level of energy. You are literally super youngster, full of energy. You should be. Shall I start? Yes, sir. Shall I start? Yes, sir. This is what the level of energy you should be. Let's have some fun. Are we ready? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This method, which method? Print method. What does the print method do? Create that. This print method, whatever you are writing inside the print, what you are writing within the double, whatever you are writing, print method, whatever you write as it is gonna take and print on the control. That is happening, no problem. See, if you have this entire row harbor is printed. Agree? Am I clear to everybody, guys? But there is a question. After printing, it leaves the cursor there. From where it should start? What does it mean for? Able to understand the cursor means? Anything is blinking, something is blinking, that is cursor. Where you type, see if I type something, agree? From there, printing start. So what does the print method do? Whatever you gave within the paragraph, and it is in that within the paragraph, double that you take and print it. But after printing, it remains there itself. And keep blinking in the same line. Where? In the same line. So print method prints the text and then it stays on the same line. Agree? So after that, you are saying one second more. And listen, do one thing. Now, you better print what? Welcome to stands for you. Okay. After print, welcome to stands for you. Wherever I already did. Are you with me? What did I do? First, I did hello. After that, I stayed on the same line because print method says what? Whatever text given will be printed and then stays on the same line. After this, whatever you try to print, I will print on the same line wherever I'm going to agree. But I don't want to print on the same line. I want to print out on different lines. Agree. In that case, don't use print. It is clearly telling me if you ask me to print, I'll print and I stay on the same line. If you don't want to stay on the same line and go to the next line, in that case, don't use me, use my brother. Okay, that's the case now. Am I right? Let me do one. What this anywhere right? Agree. After this, I will go to the next line. Say, I will say print LN. Then let me go and execute the code. Agree. Let's stay over the file. Then have I completely yes. After that, let me execute. Then execute. No. Listen, there is a difference. Let me try. It's not good. If there is no difference, why am I messaging? Talking to you, listen. After you think that that's what I'm getting right? Yes. You agree? Come on. Executed both the things printed on the same line. Still, that's what you are doing after this. There is nothing else. But you are using pay attention. And the first printing statement is a print, or the second statement as a print element. You are using print element statement, print element says what? Print says what? Print says whatever given within the parameter into that within the double within the whatever is the to be print after printing stay on same line. Agree? Print element says what? Whatever you give me to print within the into that within the double quotes. That has a print. And after printing, when after printing, I go to the next line. Period. This is what I want. Whatever you ask me to print, first line here, period. Till this point I have printed. After this, I was staying on the same line because you asked me first print. After printing, I am on the same line. Agree? But second time you said what to print and agree. Whatever you are going to print, I printed. Then I came to the line next. Then I came to the line next. See this extra line is coming. Where that extra line is not there. Do you agree? Print says print and stay on same line. Print and says print and then take the line next. Are you with me? Am I clear? That is why this extra line is coming up. So in this case, if you understood very well what is print and what is print, can you help me? What changes do I need to make into the existing program? Agree? First one should be element. How about second one? Second one, should I make that also print element or leave it? As also leave it. Shall I second line make it print or print element? Print. What? If I don't do print element, right? Let's see what happens. Both are print element. Although we need only first one to be print element. And both are print. That means say okay. After taking now what is happening here? Because of this first print element, because of the first print element, what is happening? This has been printed, cursor has come to the next line. Then you ask me to what? Print element. Agree. Then you ask me to do print element this one. Agree? Because of this, what happened? It has printed this much. Agree? Yes, sir. Once this has been printed, if you are using print element, 1 second, it has given one more line as that. Can you see it? Sir. I have flash line. Then in the print element, why do I agree? Make it. Make it. Save it. Then execute it. Now we observe. Can I do one thing? Since we have understood very well. Agree. See that extra has been gone. This also. After printing, there is no extra line. But again, there was an extra line. Agree with me, everybody? Sir. No confusion? Yeah. Sir. In this case, you will write. I have a task. You will write the program right next to each one of you. Anybody has issue with the installation? No. Okay. Then you will write hello. What? My name is whatever you. I keep it AAA. I am from TV. Wherever you are. I am becoming this is your task. Each one of you write. Shall I start? Faster. I'll give you 10 minutes of time. A unit. Give you 10 minutes of time. Fast. Ensure you come. I will have you. To respond inside online go. I will have to each one of you. Hello. Audible now? Okay. Period. I'll explain everything once. Okay, no problem. Period. Funda is simple. Difference between print and print ln. If you see, first line is print ln. Where here? Period. Print ln. That's the first line. This first line says print ln says whatever text is given that I will print it. I will say go to the line next. But print method says what? Whatever you will ask to print in the double quote, I'll actually print it. After printing it, I'll be on the same line. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Difference between print and print ln? Okay, great. Location here now. Voice is still not clear. My voice clear now, guys? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Is it clear now? Clear? Lokesh? Perfect. Okay then. What am I asking is, sir, print method says what? Whatever you give me within the pair of double quotes, I'll print on the screen and stay on the same line. Println says this one. Says whatever you ask me to print, I will print as it is, but I'll jump to the line next. Print ln, print line next. Print method says I'll print and stay on the same line. Is that clear to each one of you guys? Is that clear? Everybody? Okay, guys. So what I have done, I have said use println to print hello Bhargav. After printing hello Bhargav, if you observe, let me compile and execute. See, I have first printed the hello Bhargav. Then because of print ln method, I jump to the next line at this point. Then you ask me to print what? Hello, oh sorry, welcome to we stand for you. I started printing at that from that point, welcome to stand for you. Agree with me, everybody, since it is saying print. That itself is the end of the discussion. I'll stay on the same line and I'll leave it. I hope you understood now. Are you all clear? Everybody, quickly respond in chat. Everybody understood? Thanks, guys. And as of now, I expect you to complete this task where you should be, you use any number of print or println method. You need to write these 4 lines where you will say first line, hello world. Second line, you will say, my name is, whatever is your name, I am from, wherever it is your native. Then I am becoming a Java developer. But before that, I'll do one thing. I'll show you the program. Ensure you make a note of the program. And these are the steps to print. I'll show you the task. I hope task is also clear to you. Then I'll show you the clock. I'll do one thing, since I have to explain once again to you people. As of now, consider this is what I'll reset the timer. 10 minutes of task is given to each one of you guys. You need to complete the task. 10 minutes is given. If you can't do it, don't worry. I'll come and do it. Okay. Let's get started, online folks. Quickly respond in chat. Hello, shall we start? Quickly confirm in chat, guys. Everybody. Thank you. Let me write my second program. Agree? Tell me. Public static void main string array of args. Then sorry, my bad. System dot out dot print of println, na? Okay, sir. Println of hello world. Okay, done. Shall I move to the next line? Don't forget the. So once again, system dot out dot println of my name is. What's your name, da? Pritish. Jagdish. Jagdish. G-A. Jagadish. Right? जगत के हैं जो ईश्वर, जगदीश. Semicolon. Next line. Println of I am from Mysore. Correct? Then system dot out dot println. This time, why? I don't want next line unnecessarily, right? So I will say I'm becoming a Java developer. That's it. Shall I save it? Done. Now let me clear the screen. Then I say Java second program dot Java no Java C second program dot Java. Oops, errors are coming. Why the errors are coming? Because I typed F somewhere at this line. How did I know I typed F at this line only? Listen. Whenever you see an error, before the error word, you will find something. Pay attention. What is it written? It is actually written second program dot Java :8:. What does it mean? File name. Second program dot Java is the file name, line number. Can you see line number 8 over here? This is not visible in notepad file, what you write. Usually Windows notepad, line number is not visible. Are you with me? Here we need line number because compiler clearly telling at what line there is a problem. Am I clear? So we should go to fix any number of line or 8th line only. 8th line. Agree? So go to 8th line, remove the F. See, it is. Wait a minute. Shall I move? See, it is exactly pointing out also where is the mistake. Can you see? That's all. Now, after making any changes, rule is after making any changes, save, then ensure you compile it. Compilation is successful. Then execute. Agree? Java second program. Hit enter. Everything is fine. If I ask you to make some changes, will you be able to? Say, for example, my name is Jagdish. I am from Mysore. I am becoming a Java developer. After this, I am saying system dot. I want you to help me with this. Say, for example, Jagdish. What else? Jagdish love. Jagdish loves. What something man? Somebody is there. Tell me. Jagdish. Whom do you love? I'm asking about. Huh? You don't love anybody at all. Which friend? Are you allowed? In India, allowed that is also. You can have a male, weds male. Not interested, huh? As of now, nobody is there. Are Baba, Jagdish loves everybody. Pay attention. I know what he loves. System dot out dot print of Jagdish loves dirty-minded people. Yes or no, da? I told you I know what he loves. By the way, shall I proceed now? Shall I compile? First, save. Then error will come. Let me clear the screen. Let me clear the screen. Let me compile. Error. Let me execute. Any problem if I execute? Exact expected output is coming as per me. No. Something gonna wrong happen. What? Last line will have I am becoming a Java developer without space. Jagdish loves Java. Without space. Agree? Now, I don't want Jagdish to be coming on next line. Rather, before Jagdish, I want a full stop and a space. Are you getting my point? I want this entire to be these two become a different part of sentence. First part of sentence will become I am becoming a Java developer. Full stop, space, Jagdish loves Java. Are you getting my point? Can you help me with this? Requirement is clear? See, SDLC first phase is what? Wow. First phase. First phase is requirement gathering. Are you clear with the requirement? What I want, is that clear? Tell me, what do I want? Last line to be, I am becoming a Java developer. Dot space, Jagdish loves whomever. Java. What do I do? Sir, two options. One, developer space. Save, compile, it will work. Yes or no? One option is this one. Nahi yaar, ye nahi hai, nahi, not this one. Any other option? No. This is not. I want something else. Oh, perfect. Before Jagdish dot and space. Done. And then here println, na? Are yes or no? In previous solution also you will be printing a println over here. Yes or no? Agree? Pakka? No. Not required. Huh? Not required, Alan. I remove the Alan part. Agree? Dot space. Let me save. All will come in same line. Yes or no? Are yes or no? Entire sentence will come in same line. Then sir, I am a Java developer. Dot space. Everything coming in same line? No. I want Jagdish to be coming in new line. I want Jagdish onwards to be coming new line. So what should I say? Println where? Here or here? Line number 8 or line number 9? Line number 8. Any problem? Sir, dot and space is coming in next line. I want previous line. Then what to do? Then, sir, remove from here and dot space. Agree? But I have a problem. We will not write dot and space at this line. Apart from this, you tell. Are you thinking, sir, what is your problem? Why do you don't want dot and space at that line? Are you thinking like that? Yes or no? Tell me, how do I do it? Perfect. Now, next thing we are going to learn something called, shall I move to the next thing? Next scenario. Here, I'll change the program name. Something called escape sequence demo. What am I saying? Escape sequence demo. Same program is there, copy pasted and saved with some other name, some class name different. Agree? Agree? So while executing or compiling, I should be using what now? I should be saying compile second program.java. Yes or no? No, you are working in what? Escape sequence demo. Compile this. Then you say Java. Hit enter. Things are absolutely fine, right? So now, till now, whatever we have done, this is absolutely fine. Agree? I want a dot and space to be added in this print statement only. Am I clear? Agree? Done? Now, what I'm saying. Here, after the dot, after the full stop, that is actually full stop. After the dot, I am saying \n. So what does \n do? Let's understand. Shall I? I'll save it as it is. Done. And then I'll go here. Again compile. Again execute. Can you see what is happening? After dot, it came to the next line. Are you with me? And then one space is there. I want this dot to be coming where? Agree, na? So first thing, don't use println here. What will happen? This entire line will be as it is printed. After that, cursor will be blinking on the same line. Agree? After that, it will print what? Dot. Because of \n, it comes to the next line. Because of \n, it comes to the next line. Are you getting my point, everybody? Pay attention. Now, let me compile and execute. Pay attention now. What is happening? See, I am becoming a Java developer. Dot on the same line. Agree? And did I write it the line number 8? No. See, am I writing dot over here? No, I am writing it next line. But because of this \n, I jump to the one more line next. Are you getting my point? But this space is given here. Because of this, if you observe, can you see there is a space? Agree? I don't like this space. Then remove space from here. Done. Save it. Then compile it, execute it. Absolutely fine. Am I clear to each one of you? So the same task, whatever I have done means, wait a minute. Let me show you. Now at the console screen, whatever you see at console screen, you need to print everything as it is, including dot. Start. Where is your laptop, by the way? Task you understood? Requirement is clear? Chaliye. Source code I will not show every time. You need to remember. Question is, this is the output I want. Agree? But everybody started. But only one statement should be there, either print or println. That to be only once. You can use either of print or println, but only once. Multiple you will not write it. Are you getting my point? I want write a program where only one, either system.out.println or system.out.print will be there, but only one, either of them. And that to be only once you will write, not multiple times. See, here how many times I wrote this println, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. You write everything within one. Within one only you do what you want. You write print or println. This is up to you. You want to write println, write println. No, I don't want println, write print. That freedom is given, but only one should be there. Am I clear to everybody? Write down. This is the output I want. ಹುಡುಗ ಮತ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಏನಂದ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು Let's get started. Shall we? Okay. So what is the solution we found? I'll save it as. Is that okay? Let me say Java C, control screen. Okay, .java. Let me make some changes first. Sir, I need everything in same line. What is the solution you brought? First, it should be print or println. It should be print. Okay, sir. Because after printing, if you go to the new line, what is the whole point? Everything should be in same line. So what you did, this much text as it is, you copied and at last, first \n, then this with a space, without a space, with or without space. Else next time first space, then anything will be printed. Hope you remember. Jagdish space, Jagdish is coming. Okay, sir. After this, I am from Mysore. Then again \n. Again paste it. Agree, done? Am I clear? Everybody? Okay, sir. Then I want what? I am becoming a Java developer. Over here. Then again \n. Again over here. This entire thing as it is. Again new line. So again \n. Take it. Am I right? After all of this, remove entire thing. I don't need it. Save it. Am I right? Let me do one thing. Go to view. Let me have a word wrap. Now pay attention, everybody. What is happening? Hello world. Then go to the next line. Agree? This will bring to the next line. Then my name is Jagdish. Till here it is absolutely on the second line. Then go to the next line. Then I am from Mysore. Then \n. Once again new line. Then without space, I am becoming a Java developer. After that \n. Then space. Then dot. Oh no. This should be first. Then this without space anything. Perfect. Let's get started. Let me compile Java. Perfect. Within one print statement also we can do all these things. Now listen, whatever you wrote this much is fine, but I want entire thing to be printed in this way. Are you getting my point? What is happening? Pay attention. What did I do to print this way? I did one tab, then another tab. Tab jumps I have done. Hope you know tab. If you need tab jumps in Java, I'll print one example. Then you will try other one. Okay. If you want tab jumps in Java, I don't want to print this line. Suppose I don't want to print this line, but I want to keep this in my code. Then Control K. What is the keyboard shortcut? Control K to comment the current line. Am I clear? Whatever line I have selected, Control K to comment. I want to uncomment. Sorry. Okay. Very good. Uncomment. If I want to uncomment, Control Shift K. Control K to comment. Uncomment. Control Shift K. Agree? I will comment again. Done. Now, then I want to print what? System.out.println. Sorry, only print. Then I will say Java is a platform independent programming language. Then I will say at the end, that's all. Now point, if I print this,